running super late. We actually just caught a flight going to Fort Myers, so let's see how it goes. Ended up taking a last minute trip out to Florida, staying out at Fort Myers. The hotel that we stayed at was latitude 26. You know, it had a dock to fish off of. You could walk around, had grills, had, you know, kayaks, bikes, a bunch of stuff. So we ended up landing at nighttime, so go ahead, stay tuned, and check out the video. Alright, so it's like 2:15. We just got here. Luckily we were able to get in to the room, so that's good. Pretty cool spot, to be honest. I'm not mad. It was the cheapest place that we could find, so we're gonna get some sleep. I'll put in some B-roll of kind of this little setting, as y'all can probably see these lights. But yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep so I can wake up in the morning, walk down to the bait shop. I'll post that down in the description. That way if y'all ever come over here, y'all can stay at this place. And you know, there's fishing, they have free kayaks, they have free paddle boards, like you can sign stuff out. It seems pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep, and we'll see you in the morning whenever we go fishing. Yeah, you can see them, just the hundreds of them.
Cats, little types of catfish or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're like this big. Is that what you've been seeing roaming around in here?
No, it's been like they look like some type of like little sand perch or something like that.
I mean, I'm from Maine, so I don't actually know what the hell they are.
Me neither, I'm from Texas.
Alright, so we're same boat here.
I just know they're fish. That's about as far as I'm 100% positive.
Sweet.
Joke's on you! The love of God. My time has come.
Sí, 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 sí. Ah, sí. Es un chiquito.
¿Es un blue blue?
No. Eso es un snapper, yo creo. Yo creo.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a lot of footage because I had some issues with the cameras and the mics, but yeah, if anyone's thinking about going to Fort Myers to fish, definitely check it out. Later that night, I ended up catching a redfish off a glide bait, fishing off the docks. So I'll go ahead and put that picture up here. I'll put a link to the hotel that I stayed at in the description, and yeah, check it out. Follow and subscribe.